Delta Hotel at Shore Drive to celebrate 57th birthday of Miss Myla Astro. So this is a surprise. She doesn't know that her husband is stealthily planning all of this together. There's about 7 people to Ate Myla. So let's see look like because everything is impromptu.
I have a camera, it's okay kung hindi natin makita. Ito, meron ako. May dala si Monica.
So we're waiting for Ate Myla to come. Okay, it's going to be an entry. We are going to ice her as she enters the room. And the room looks like this. So this is the venue.
Kung sasabihin ko eh.
Ano na, he saw already Myla there.
Okay.
Yes.
Should be. With the husband.
Dito kayo. Oh my God, nakita ka, Kani. Saan? I don't know. Caught. She saw Kani.
Sabi ni
Tony.
eh baka isip lang ni Tony yun, hindi naman alam.
Hindi ako lumalabas dito, di ba?
Dito lang naman tayo ah.
Wala naman lumabas.
Anong balita natin today? Anong sitwasyon natin today?
Kumakain kami ng adobong manet.
So we are part of the crew of this surprise birthday party mission for Ate Myla. Isa sa ating mga tsaba dito, si Madam.
Dali, ano yun?
Tapos ito i-dip natin. I-brief ko na lang lahat para. So pagdating ni Myla, pag natapos na yung surprise.
Para saan?
This one is elevator.